We're going to create a simple web page using Notepad. To do this, we're going to write HTML code. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is used on all web pages to define the structure of the page. To get started, we're going to create a doc-type declaration at the top of the page. This declaration tells the browser that we're going to be using HTML code. Next, we're going to create an HTML tag. We're going to close the HTML tag with the /. This tag tells the browser where our HTML code is found. Now within the HTML tag, we're going to have two other tags. The first is the head tag. The second is the body tag. Now within the head tag, this tells our browser information that's usually not displayed on the page itself. For example, the title tag. The title tag showcases the title of the page, but within the browser tab itself. So let's write a title tag. Now within the title tag, we can write some text. Now for the body tag. The body tag is the main part of your web page. It's where all content is shown. So within this tag, let's create an H1 tag. This is a heading tag. Now there are 6 different types of headings, 1 through 6. H1 being the largest, H6 being the smallest. Let's type some sample text here. Lastly, we're going to create a paragraph tag. Now let's save the document by going to File, Save. Most home pages are called index, so let's name this index and make sure to put the .html at the end. Now on our desktop, we'll find our index.html. Let's open this. So there you have it. Here's your first web page. Notice the title in the browser tab. This is my first web page. That's our title tag within the head. This is my first web page is the heading within the body. And then this is my first paragraph is the paragraph tag. So there you have it, your first web page.